An acid attack survivor usually undergoes a costly and lengthy treatment, which can last for several years. Unfortunately, women parliamentarians in Pakistan have not done enough to help the acid attack victims in the country. They have not even tried to empower those organizations that are trying to help those women who have been subjected to such acts of violence.
Not yet. Basically, the Ministry of Women Development initially was committed to help us, and we had no news in them in spite of our many calls. I believe they had other priorities, which is quite unfortunate. But since the Chief Justice has now taken a very clear step and has delivered a very clear message that we should, Pakistani government should now provide a law that would monitor, regulate acid sale, and that would punish acid attack perpetrator. I'm hopeful that now these parliamentarians will be there to support us and propose some laws accordingly.
For the first time in history, the Supreme Court has instructed the government to pass the Acid Crime Prevention Act. The verdict was issued after the court took a suo motu notice in the Naila Farhat case. The situation is relatively better in the country's urban centers, but in the rural areas, acid victims are normally subjected to a lot of pressure by influential people.
In the courts, when they approached, the cases were registered, then firstly their local people were pressurizing on these victims not to approach to the court. Then if they come to the court, then the procedure.
But Naila Farhat, the teenage acid attack survivor who dared to approach the apex court, wants justice to be done to everyone.
मैं हुकूमत से यही कहूँगी कि जैसे मुझे मेरे मुलज़मों को सज़ा मिली है, चीफ साहब ने इंसाफ दिया है। मैं चाहती हूँ कि मेरी बहुत सी लाखों बहनें ऐसी हैं जिनके साथ ये हादसे होते हैं। मैं चाहती हूँ कि उनको सख्त से सख्त सज़ा दी जाए, जैसे सज़ाए मौत है।
Naila may have received justice, but there are several girls like her who do not have access to justice. Experts believe that the government must regulate acid sale in the open market. Besides, it should provide legal and medical assistance to acid attack victims. Nausheen Yusuf, Dawn News, Islamabad.